Have you ever gazed at the night sky and wondered if we are alone in the universe? The universe, a celestial expanse so vast and infinite, teems with billions of galaxies, each one home to countless stars around which orbit innumerable planets, just like our own Earth. Could it be possible then that somewhere in this grand cosmic theater, life exists beyond our blue planet? As we delve into the journey of space exploration, bear in mind this question: are we alone? To search for answers, we must first trace back to the early days of space exploration. Our journey begins in the late 1950s, when the world was enthralled by the possibility of reaching beyond our earthly confines. In the heart of the Cold War, the space race was ignited by the Soviet Union's launch of Sputnik, the world's first artificial satellite. This metallic sphere, no larger than a beach ball, hummed through the cosmos, broadcasting a radio signal that echoed around the globe. Sputnik's successful launch on October 4, 1957, was a startling wake-up call for the rest of the world, particularly the United States. The space race quickly escalated, with both superpowers vying for the upper hand. The United States responded with the creation of NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, in 1958. A series of successful satellite launches followed, but the most significant victory lay just over the horizon. On April 12, 1961, the world held its breath as Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet astronaut, became the first human to orbit the Earth. His historic flight lasted just under 2 hours, but its impact was monumental. It proved that humans could survive in space, paving the way for future manned missions. However, the ultimate prize was still out there, waiting in the cold vacuum of space: the Moon. On July 20, 1969, this dream became a reality. Astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin, part of NASA's Apollo 11 mission, set foot on the lunar surface. Armstrong's famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," echoed around the world, marking a momentous achievement in human history. The moon landing marked a new era, opening the possibility of exploring farther into the cosmos. The stage was set for humanity's next grand adventure, the search for life beyond our own planet. But that's a story for another time. For now, let's revel in the awe-inspiring journey that brought us to this point, the dawn of space exploration. With the ability to reach beyond our planet, the search for extraterrestrial life took a significant turn. It was the late 70s when the Voyager missions, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, set out on their historic journeys. These spacecrafts, carrying the hopes and dreams of humanity, were equipped with the golden records. Phonograph records containing sounds and images selected to portray the diversity of life on Earth. They were our first real attempt to communicate with potential extraterrestrial lifeforms, a message in a bottle tossed into the cosmic sea. Voyager's objectives extended far beyond just delivering these records. They were tasked with exploring the outer realms of our solar system and beyond, sending back invaluable data about planets and moons we had only ever seen from afar. Voyager 1 in particular became the first human-made object to enter interstellar space, forever pushing the boundaries of our reach. Parallel to these deep space explorations, our scientists focused closer to home, searching for planets outside our solar system, known as exoplanets. The first confirmed discovery came in the mid-90s, and since then, thousands have been identified. Some of these distant worlds orbit within what is known as the habitable zone of their parent star. This is the region where conditions might just be right for liquid water to exist, a key ingredient for life as we know it. These exoplanets and their habitable zones represent our best chances of finding extraterrestrial life. The search for them is a complex and painstaking process, but every discovery brings us one step closer to answering the question that has captivated us for centuries: are we alone in the universe? The search for extraterrestrial life has come a long way since the days of scanning the night sky with naked eyes. Our tools have evolved, from telescopes to spacecraft, and our understanding of the cosmos has expanded. We have journeyed to the stars, sent messages into the void, and peered into the heart of distant worlds. As our technology evolved, so did our reach and our understanding of the cosmos. As we journey further into the 21st century, we stand on the cusp of a new era in space exploration. Our footprints are set to extend beyond the moon, reaching out into the vast expanse of the cosmos. The future of space exploration is not just in the hands of international space agencies anymore. A new age of private space companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic is dawning. These companies are not only making space travel more accessible, but they're also significantly driving technological advancements. Imagine rockets that can take off and land vertically, dramatically reducing the cost of space travel, or spacecraft designed to carry hundreds of passengers, turning science fiction into reality. These are not mere pipe dreams, but goals set by ambitious entrepreneurs who wish to make space the next frontier for humanity. Looking ahead, we have several groundbreaking missions that promise to revolutionize our understanding of the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope, set to launch soon, will peer into the universe's early days, observing the first galaxies that formed after the Big Bang. Its powerful lens will also study exoplanets, potentially identifying signs of life. And then there's Mars. The red planet has long held our fascination, and now plans for its colonization are well underway. The idea is not just to visit, but to establish a permanent human settlement, making Mars a second home for humanity. The challenges are enormous, from creating sustainable living conditions to dealing with the psychological effects of isolation. But if successful, this venture could open the doors to colonizing other celestial bodies. Our journey into the cosmos is just beginning. With each technological leap, with each ambitious mission, we are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The future of space exploration promises to take us farther than ever before, increasing the possibility of discovering extraterrestrial life. As we venture into the unknown, we carry with us the hope of answering one of humanity's oldest questions. Are we alone in the universe? So, what does all this mean for the possibility of alien life? As we delve deeper into the cosmos, the question becomes less about if there is life beyond Earth and more about when and where we will find it. To understand the likelihood of encountering alien life, two theories are particularly significant: the Drake equation and the Fermi paradox. The Drake equation, proposed by astronomer Frank Drake in the early 1960s, is a mathematical formula that attempts to estimate the number of advanced civilizations in the Milky Way galaxy. It considers factors like the rate of star formation, the fraction of those stars that have planetary systems, the number of planets that could potentially support life, and the lifespan of such civilizations. Although the equation is based on several assumptions and its results can vary widely, it suggests that there could be thousands, if not millions, of civilizations out there. On the other hand, the Fermi paradox, named after physicist Enrico Fermi, poses a contradiction. If there are a multitude of advanced civilizations in the galaxy, as the Drake equation suggests, then why haven't we detected any signs of them? Why is it so quiet out there? This paradox has sparked many hypotheses, including the possibility that advanced civilizations are avoiding contact, that they have self-destructed, or that we are simply not listening in the right way. Recent discoveries have added exciting new dimensions to these discussions. For instance, potential biosignatures in the clouds of Venus have led some scientists to speculate about the existence of aerial microbes in the planet's harsh atmosphere. Similarly, the discovery of water on Mars has opened up new possibilities for microbial life in the planet's past or even its present. Each of these discoveries fuels our curiosity and deepens our understanding of the universe. They remind us that life, as we know it, is a complex interplay of cosmic and chemical events, and that similar processes could potentially occur elsewhere in the universe. So, as we continue to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos, we must remain open to the possibility of life in forms and places we can't yet imagine. The universe is vast, and our search has only just begun. The search for extraterrestrial life is ongoing, and each new discovery brings us one step closer to answering our question. So, are we alone in the universe? This question has led us on a captivating journey through the cosmos. We've revisited the dawn of space exploration, marveled at the strides we've made, and pondered on the future. We've delved into the ongoing search for extraterrestrial life and contemplated the possibility that somewhere out there, among the billions of galaxies, there might just be other life forms. The universe is vast, filled with innumerable stars and planets. We are still in the early stages of our cosmic journey, with so much more to discover. The search for alien life continues, and with each passing day, new technologies, ideas, and theories bring us one step closer to answering the provocative question. Our quest to understand our place in the cosmos is far from over. As we continue to explore the cosmos, remember to look up at the stars and wonder. For the universe is a grand mystery, and we are but a small part of it.